this mini lesson. Okay. All right. Hi, guys, and Mrs. Mo's homeroom. Okay. So we're going to be talking about words from Spanish. So again, many English words come from other languages. Over time, as the cultures kind of mix together, our languages mix together. Viv?
So like in Italian, we just call pasta pasta.
Yeah, right. So as our languages have mixed together, some of our languages, as our cultures have mixed together, our languages have mixed together. So some words in English come from Spanish. So here's some words. I want you to write them down on your paper, just like I'm going to. I'm going to have to do it this way so that you guys can. Okay. I can't zoom in because it won't let me, but I want you to write these words down. We're going to write this one. This one is ranchero. Cafeteria. Can you see them? I'm trying to write them as big as I can. All right, so what I want you to see, the reason why, let me find another pen. So what I want you to see is I want you to see that on this column right here, this may not work, I don't know. On this column right here, this one, this pink one, can you see the pink? A little bit. It's supposed to be pink, but these are our English words. These are our English words that we know. We know ranch, we know cafeteria, we know avocado. Those are the English words. But they have been formed from these. These are the Spanish words. These are the Spanish original words that they had, and they've just kind of changed over time. Now it's kind of interesting because ranchero, ranch, what's a ranch? No, we're not necessarily talking about the ranch dressing that you guys all like. What are we talking about here when we talk about ranch? George? Yeah, like a place where there's horses and cows, cowboys. You kind of typically think of a ranch when you think of that. And then in Spanish culture, ranchero means the same thing. That's where we got the word ranch from. Cafeteria, look at those two. They're exactly the same. The only difference with that one is that in Spanish, the I has like a little slash on it because it's pronounced a little bit differently. They've got like the I has a different pronunciation, and we don't. We've got our little, our dot above our I. But that's the only difference between cafeteria and cafeteria. Means the same thing, but it's a word that came from Spanish. What about this one? This one's super different. At first, when I wrote this down, I thought, I don't know really what this is. And then when I saw the English equivalent to it, I thought, oh, okay, avocado. We all know that avocado is the vegetable, right? Or type of vegetable. And this would be the Spanish equivalent to that. Aquagates. I don't know. I probably am not. Aquagates? I don't know. Probably going to have a hard time pronouncing that one because I don't know. I'm not a Spanish speaker, but anybody have an idea of how to pronounce this one? George, you have an idea? Huh?
Can we Google translate it?
We could, but not right now. We could do it, yes. Okay, so here's what I want you to do. Okay, and the ones who are watching on the video, just listen to me, okay? All right, so I'm going to give you some words. I'm going to turn this up just a little bit so you can see your papers. It might look kind of, okay. All right, so I'm going to give you some words. I want you to listen to the words that I am going to read to you, okay? I'm going to read them to you in Spanish. I want you to see if you can try and identify what the word is in English, okay? Actually, I'll write it down too, just because I don't know if I can pronounce them very well. So we'll just do both. So we're gonna do 3 of them, and I want you to see if you can figure out what the English equivalent is. Okay? So here's the first one. And again, I'm glad I'm doing it this way because I'm not really sure if I could do it the other way. This one is canyon. Canyon. Do you know what the English equivalent is to this one? This one is patata. Patata.
That's how my cousin says it. Tomato.
This one is tornado.
What?
Tornado. Tornado. Are you writing this down? Okay. Okay. So now, what are the English equivalents to these? What do we think this one is? And I'm pretty sure I didn't pronounce it correctly. What do you say? Canyon. Canyon, like a deep trench, or like Grand Canyon would be an example. What about patata? I like saying it though. That's funny. Patata. Bo? Potato.
Yeah, I got it.
What about tornado? Viv? Tornado. Tornado.
O and the R are just like swapped. That's the O and the R in tornado. And
Yeah, they did. They just swapped.
it feels less frightening.
True. All right. All right. Okay, our last. Hey, relax. Okay, this is our last activity. I'm going to flip it over. You don't have to, but I want to make sure it's big enough for my kiddos who are not here right now at the moment. So, yeah, it is. And parents are hearing you. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to write these following words on the board. Well, obviously not on the board. I'm going to write them here. And what I want you to do is I want you to match the Spanish word to the English word. Okay? So think about your decoding skills. Try to make some inferences on that can help you match these words. So here are the words. There's going to be 8 of them here. And then I don't know why I numbered it. There's really no reason to number. And you're just going to match them to the different words, to the matching words. So here's the first one. And you can write these down as I do. Some of these you will recognize, obviously. Yeah, these are the English. And then you're going to match them to the correct Spanish.
Yeah, I love these in color.
All right. So you're going to match the English equivalent to the Spanish. You guys. So all you're going to do here, once you write the words, is you're just going to connect them to whichever the English word connects with the Spanish word. Obviously, some of these are pretty easy just because we see that some of the letters are the same. That kind of gives you an idea that that Spanish word came from that English, or that English word came from that Spanish word. It's flipped. Okay. So obviously barbecue is probably going to come down here with barbacoa. Barbacoa. Hurricane, probably over here with huracan.
Yeah, that's because like we're eating
Wait and stop. Cargo, cargar. And then alligator is the one that's just very different. Lagarto. Very different. But look, you can see you've got the G and the A. Here's the G and the A here. You've got the T and the O. So you can kind of make an inference that maybe this would be very similar because of the letters, how they're similar. Yeah, you could do process of elimination. You're right.